Isiphepho esinamandla sikhahlemeze isakhiwo eMontana kwasuka uphahla. Ezinye izakhamuzi kuphoqeleke ukuba zikhishwe ziyobekwa endaweni ephephile ngenxa yobungozi. Kumanje izakhamuzi ezithintekile zithola kunzima ukuthola ezinye izindawo zokuhlala njengoba iqhubeka nokuna imvula.
The rain has affected me because my furniture is... I don't even know how to explain it, because you can't even carry a simple table, it comes off. And the fridge, the light, the plugs, and everything is not working.
Abezangoma zezulu eTshwane bathi basiqaphile isimo.
Hence, that storm actually moved more against the normal storm flow. This is because where the storm actually reached on the mountain, it actually got into a space where the wind was forced to come together and therefore rise and form what we call the land spout.
Kusenjalo kucekeleke phansi imizi eminingi ngesikhathi kuhlasele imvula enamandla ezindaweni ezahlukene eNorthwest. Inhlangano iGift of the Givers ihlinzeke ngosizo imindeni ekhahlamezekile endaweni yaseBodibe.
So we got a call around 8 o'clock this morning and to come in and do assessment. And when we arrived here, the situation was very bad. I think there's about 60 households that are damaged. And then from our side as Gift of the Givers, we saw a need that we need to bring some aid.
Kusazohlolwa umonakalo nakwezinye izindawo ezikhahlamezekile eNorthwest okubalwa kuzo iZerust neHammanskraal.